that I think might be really good. Like Living in Oblivion is one from the 80s that I haven't played yet, but it's kind of odd sounding. You probably recognize it when you hear it, but it's not a hit.
Sounds vaguely
The Different Story by Peter Schilling, who's famous for Major Tom. He has, I think, an even better song than Major Tom from 1980.
That's going to have to be amazing. Because there's
it is, and we have done that too, yep.
That's another one that there's so many good songs, man. It was just such a, sports are like, people have to go live. Like the Indianapolis 500. There was a time where there were probably 5 sporting events, the Indy 500, the Kentucky Derby, the Masters would be one, where, like, Evel Knievel, quite frankly, where if ABC Blackbox Sports selected for you that it was worth the trade, then you consumed it because you only had like 4 or 5 television options. So therefore, you don't have to be a big deal because it had been selected to be presented to you. And that's what music was back then. I mean, you only had, you didn't have 500 different stations at iPod or Pandora. You had, what, A&B on Saturday from 6 to 10 was playing for you. So you knew it had to be good because you were sold. This is just a different era. And so there's more simplistic. And while we love as people, we still oftentimes get nostalgic for being simplistic.
No doubt about it.
That's what's fun about it, right?
Yep.
It's incredible.
And I've had a dude call in, and I feel bad. I owe him something because he's called in, I think, every Saturday night for the last month and requested a Rush song. And it's been a variety of Rush songs too, and I've yet to do it. I think it's more just out of just forgetting about it, and I feel bad about it because I've forgotten about it so much that now it's at the top of my mind. So I'm going to have to do it coming up on Saturday.
First, the RTV6 is a huge Rush fan, so it might be him in disguise. He's a huge Rush fan.
Nah, we had some good ones. And by the way, our executive producer Todd Meyer says that he has that Waterboys album that you're talking about there. Yeah,
Todd's a great dude, man. Todd's one of my favorite people from my days at MSU.
He is. There's no doubt. And you know what else he is? He's in our category of music knowledge. I mean, he can go Waterboys, Psychedelic Furs, and all that stuff that we bring up all the time.
Hey, Google. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. Fucking believable. Seriously. Yo, Google. Hi, Google. Wake the fuck up, Google. Off work.
Sorry, who do you want to message?